I have 5 steps in my investment template. You can use it in any form or method you'd like. It could be 200 words or 20,000 words, 2 pages or 20 pages. But these are the 5 steps that I use to form my own investment checklist. This is the process and procedures that I go through when I mentally think about any investment. I'm going to use it in this format as well for cryptocurrencies. So I begin with a summary. I think about you know the background. I make a thesis about what the investment may be, what the scenario is, what's the history. Maybe I'll include pieces of the white paper. I'll think about what's happening and why this is an opportunity right now. Then I'll break down the quantitative piece. This is the area I like to focus on because it tells me about the potential valuation, what are the returns. My assumptions will tell me what's being mispriced or how the market is pricing a current asset. And then I'll move into the qualitative. So I'll do a kind of tangent with each other. Qualitative, I'll just break down the business. In this case, it'll just be the entire cryptocurrency market, the industry. So maybe either fintech or banking or whatever application I'm looking into in the software space for the blockchain technology. And then the product, which would be the token. Am I looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another token in the industry? And then I ask, what problems are they solving? Why do they exist? Do they simply exist because they just want to, speculate and make money, or are they actually solving a problem? Because in Bitcoin's case, it's a currency solving a problem. In the banking world, Ethereum is designing smart applications, and other coins have their own unique traits. And then, most importantly, is the risk piece of the template. I'll do a regular SWOT analysis, so strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. I'll understand what's happening in the landscape, so I'll look at competitors, I'll look at what's happening in the main product, in the industry, in the business. Who are the developers? Do they have the best developers? Who are the investors? Is it decentralized? Is it centralized? What are some where does it fit in the blockchain trilemma? Is it a security issue? Will it be able to solve the scalability problems? What are the speed bumps? A lot of projects have roadmaps, so they'll show you what's happening over the next 12 to 24 months. And then you can actually, because it's open and transparent, you can follow their entire journey and see if they've been hitting their marks and making upgrades. So it's great because there's a lot of transparency. But on the other hand, there's still a lot of risks. There's some weaknesses and there are threats that you still need to understand. And the last and the most important piece for any investment is the catalyst. So you need to define what the rate of change will be, one or two elements that will impact the investment either in a positive or negative form. So it can be market specific, event specific, or maybe what insiders are doing, something that will tell you there's going to be something that happens in the next 3 to 6 months, in the next 18 months. One factor that just says, hey, this is important, you need to be aware of it. If it happens, it's a plus. If it doesn't happen, it's a minus. So just keep this on the top of your head. Summary, quantitative, qualitative, risks, and catalysts. The 5 segments of any investment template that I create, I think is important. It's important to write it out, expand on it, challenge your ideas, and find a good reason for why you need to make the investment today, right now.